Hello everyone, it's Hanny again. I'm a bit behind, but I'm going to make the Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge number 30. And the prompts are something that emits heat. Well, I have the sun, and here is a sun. And here I have a few. That's a grill and well, how do we call that thing? No, you see what it is, outer space. So that emits heat. A fruit. Well, I have a digital mine with a fruit on it. I have more, but I like this one. A sheet of music or notes. I have here a sheet of music and with handwritten notes. I love that very much. Graph paper. I have a piece of graph paper here. A sequence of random letters. Well, I have these digital. Here are some numbers in it, but it's letters. And I have stamps, and here I have stamps. So I think I'm going to manage that. And then the bonus is a label. Well, I have a few digital labels. I have this labels. So here is my journal page. And I'm going to make the collage and speed it up. And I hope you enjoy watching. Bye for now.